What's up? It's Superior Shelby. This one is for all of my people in Little Haiti. If you needed some money to do fix and flips, don't mind me. I'm just sunbathing right now. Okay, I just came from a good workout. Y'all know what time it is. Well, listen, this is a grant for all of my people that is based out of Miami, just like myself. If you need renovation costs, all right, $20,000, they're giving up to $20,000 for interior and exterior renovation costs, especially if you're into real estate, commercial real estate. And if you are not into like real estate, fix and flips, all that good stuff, then you can apply for the $10,000 incentive to help you get money for like software systems and new technologies. Now, this opened in September. This is a first come, first serve type of situation. There's still money in the pot for this opportunity. All right. As you can see, I'm going through like the whole entire thing. Here's the contact information. You can actually apply for this grant in person, which is what I thought was really interesting. So if you are, in the area, go physically apply for this in person. If not, and you want to apply for this online, as you can see here, I'm going through all of the necessary steps to get you the actual form itself. Okay, it's a PDF form you'll have to fill out. You'll have to type in your answers and then send it over to them or email over to the people. All right, if you need help applying for this particular opportunity, I'm your girl. All right, hit me up, DM me, #grants. I will apply for this opportunity and 10 plus others like it. All right, let's get it. Free money.